It is the honor, nay, the privilege of my lifetime to direct you. Oh, is that garlic?
I'll just grab an itty-bitty snack from Crafty. Oops. Feeding frenzy. So quirky.
Not the coolest, they also have red bread. Frog and monkeys, frog.
Enoch!
Gook, my furry friend. Thanks for getting rid of the tiger and the hyena. I wonder where they are.
Someplace nice and warm.
That could trigger a chain reaction of impoliteness.
You don't mean...
A burp-nado.
It's too late!
Get down, honey bun! All clear, your magic.
Take that, Burpnado! Didn't get us!
Nerves.
What monster would...
When is everybody going to float away, Brain?
Never, Pinky. Our plan is a failure.
Then we didn't carbonate the water supply?
No, Pinky. I told you not to open that nozzle while it was pointed toward us.
Sorry, Brain. Point. I always get toward and away from confused.
Sometimes I think my whole life is a practical joke.
Finally.
Looks like you're having fun down there.
Raffy, stop! This is a very special event. As he raided the royal kitchen one night.
Preposterous! I'm no bellowing one.
Crocodile!
Whoa.
I'm sorry! I can't help it!
No!
Alvin, what did you do?
Where is Theodore?